Jumping straight into the water resistance test. In the olophobic bath test, we are checking for the presence of an olophobic layer on the tempered glass protection. All devices under me, Redmi and also Poco has been doing excellent in this area. They never cost cut like in budget BBK devices. This is always a great plus for the end consumers and dedicated loyal fans of the brand. We get exactly what we're supposed to for the money we invest in costly electronic items. Most importantly, there is no effect on the audio as of now from both external speakers, and that's why we are already at the light splashing round. Also, everything seems good in the olophobic department as expected. An IP rating on a budget device has yet to fail on the channel, so it's kind of reassuring that the Poco X4 Pro 5G is in fact IP53 certified, and you can see some proof of it in the form of the red rubber sealant. But you can never get too comfortable since electronics and liquid obviously isn't supposed to mix. We are hoping that the X4 Pro does manage to scrape through undamaged from liquid abuse. Besides the audio not being affected at this stage, no other temporary issues can be noticed. No headphone icon issue, camera fogging or black screen issues as yet. The X4 Pro 5G seems to be going in the same path as previous devices. No signs of temporary issues or permanent liquid damages like the Realme 9 Pro or Realme GT Neo 3T, fortunately. The Poco X4 Pro 5G passes a water test and keeps up the clean record of Poco as the strongest brand right now.